Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites plus the immediate first actions. Check which containers or services use the NVIDIA Container runtime. Run sudo docker ps and sudo systemctl status NVIDIA Container runtime. Once identified, stop the display manager or close queue to using apps so GPU resources free up. Make a quick backup of /etc/ NVIDIA Container runtime /config. toml and /etc/ /docker /daemon JSON before editing. This prevents accidental lockouts. Make sure to keep a terminal open with sudo access so you can instantly revert if needed. Now you modify the system to stop invoking NVIDIA Container runtime. Open /etc/ /docker /daemon JSON and remove or change the default runtime entry that points to NVIDIA. Set default runtime to runc or delete the runtime block. Once edited, run sudo systemctl daemon reload and sudo systemctl restart docker to apply changes. This ensures new containers won't use the NVIDIA runtime. Then stop and disable any NVIDIA-specific service or systemd hook, such as NVIDIA Container runtime hook, so it doesn't re-enable itself on boot. Finish by validating your changes and knowing how to recover. Run a test container, docker run rm busybox sh, or the same command with gpus to confirm GPUs are not exposed. If the runtime change worked, GPU access will fail. Reboot only if required, then verify docker ps and NVIDIA SMI to ensure no unexpected processes. If containers still use the NVIDIA runtime, restore your backed up config files and inspect containered or third-party hooks. Often an orchestration tool reapplies settings and needs manual adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.